Hey everyone, welcome to Monkey Doodle. Oh, what's that, Babi? You headed to outer space? Cool. Hello, rock stars. Welcome to another episode of Monkey Doodle, where we do silly characters and have a good time. Today we're going to do a silly space cat. So here we go. Buckle up and put on your helmet. We're going to do a large oval type shape here. But it doesn't close at the bottom. Big curve. We're going to do two little curves on the bottom here. Nice curvy line there that connects to it and closes that shape. So now it's starting to look like a helmet already, right guys? We're going to do a similar shape inside of it. There we go. And close that at the bottom with a little curve. We're on the way to making my silly friend Space Cat. Now, on the outside here, we're going to do kind of like a little oxygen tube for Space Cat. We'll do two curvy lines. Do a couple of short curvy lines inside of it for detail. And maybe Space Cat on this side has like a little antenna. He has to communicate with the spaceship, the mothership, or the mother kitty ship. Do a little antenna, little line there, little circle, beep, beep, beep. Little signals sending out to let everybody know where Space Cat's location is. All right, you guys are doing great. I'm going to switch to my smaller Sharpie to get into this Space Cat helmet area. And we're going to do Space Cat's face. So we're going to do kind of like a large letter U shape. Come back in with two pointy ears. Close that shape. Let's put two tiny triangles in here, make it dark. I'm going to give him a couple of little furry hair things sticking out. And watch this, silly eyes. Big curve down and back to the top. And we'll do a little eye to the side there. Space Cat is wacky looking already. We're going to do a little dark nose here. And little short line down, and a big smile, watch. Big smile. Short line here at the end of the smile, and some goofy, curvy teeth. There we go. Doesn't he look goofy? I like this guy. Three lines out for whiskers. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. The Space Cat is having fun inside his helmet, and we're going to do a line that goes to the bottom of the helmet, and line right there, and a little curvy belly for Space Cat. So he's in control in there, okay? I like this guy. Okay, now we're going to do the bottom of Space Cat. He's just floating around in space, all right? So we're going to do a puffy space suit. 1 bump, 2, 3. Now we're going to make a glove with 3 loops for Space Cat. Actually, we'll do 4 loops. I'm going to close it right there. We're going to do bump, bump, and bump. So he's got a funny hand there. We can do a curve here, sort of like for a palm. His spacesuit doesn't fit him too good, but he doesn't care. He's out there having fun in outer space. We can put a little line here too for the detail on the helmet. All right, cool. Put little circles for rivets. And let's put bumps here. 1, 2, 3. And 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be like Space Cat's glove there. And on the other side, 1, 2, 3 bumps there. So he's waving hello in some way. Again, his spacesuit doesn't fit well, but don't worry about it. He doesn't care. Come in with a curve, in with a curve. And we're going to do some bumpy legs that stick out. 1, 2, 3. And we'll do a boot. Okay. There we go. 1, 2, 3. We'll do a little bottom piece there. 1, 2, 3 bumps. This side too. Let's do another boot sticking out for Space Cat. Little space boot going on. Close it here. Alright, he's out there. Oh my, his suit really doesn't fit. There's no way he could fill up this suit, guys. Let's put some details on. Maybe he has some kind of LCD panel here. We'll make like two rectangles in there, little LCD screen. And Space Cat does love fish, so we're gonna make a fish there. Fish bone kind of thing with some ribs sticking out. And a little tail. Maybe that's what's on his mind. Put little straps here, two lines that connect here and here, across. And we can do a couple little like detail lines here to help fill in Space Cat's, you know, space suit, make it more bubbly looking, okay? Alright, maybe he's got a little patch here, maybe he's got a little control panel here. Alright. Space Cat's looking good. Okay, let's see. What else can we do to Space Cat? What's going on outside, right? I don't know. He's in outer space floating around. You guys will have to color it the way you want, but maybe there's a little star character here floating around. Maybe over here there's another fish character. And again, we got some bones here. Make some little lines, short lines that kind of go in and out. Maybe over here there's a planet, a little circle there, and a long curve that loops around, and this guy's happy that Space Cat's in the area. Little circles that represent stars or some other planetary objects, maybe meteors or craters flying around. You guys decide. I want to put a nice star up here. Moon guy. There we go. And maybe we'll end up with one more little fish over here, like a little triangle shape. And Space Cat's fish. Alright. That's crazy. There's fish bones flying in outer space. What kind of planet or galaxy is this? Alright, get ready to hyperspace color with me, guys. Zoom, zoom, buckle up. In outer space we go.